Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about Mommy's Hand Plant in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Gold Garden update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got the Mommy's Hand seed from this event, this grave digging event with only 2.33% possibility. As you can see, this is the Mommy's Hand seed, and finally I could get it from this event. And I have already planted my Mommy's Hand seed, and I'm going to show you how the Mommy's Hand looks like. Okay, this is how the Mommy's Hand looks like, guys. Okay, and yeah, it's big because I have placed sprinkler. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the top of this plant, and I'm going to collect the Mommy's Hand. Okay, yeah, it's a little bit difficult to collect it because the tree or this plant is so high, but finally I could collect it, and I'm going to check the base value of it. Okay, and this is the Mommy's Hand, and then I'm going to check the value. How much is this worth? Oh yeah, I think yeah, the base value is just like the other prismatic fruit, and I can only get 3 Mommy's Hand from one plant. I think yeah, it's not that OP, but yeah, you can plant it on your garden because you know the Mommy's Hand looks so unique. And okay guys, that's all about the Mommy's Hand in Grow Garden game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.